So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished removing an old flange that someone had used for a repair. It was the twist-in kind with a gasket on the bottom. And of course the bolts are not the bolts that were in it. We showed this to the homeowner. We're going to take a video, but we did replace it. But all the material was moving. It was all plastic all the way around with slots, 4 slots. And of course the bolts were not going to hold. And there were no screws. As you can see here, these Tapcon anchors, there were no screws in it either. So even if you use a gasket, you still need to screw it to the floor. That's code. That's what it's supposed to be. So what we gave you is a brand new closet flange. It's glued in to the existing closet bin. So the pipe below the ground down there, this is glued in, which is great. Helps hold it as well. And then also you've got the 6 anchors around here to hold the whole assembly to the ground, and then brand new bolts here. So we're going to go ahead and get a wax ring on here and get this toilet set. Outside of that, this installation is done.